Maybach music.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?
What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here on a beautiful Sunday, 70 degrees in Pooler, Georgia. We're gonna go to a barbecue where I got invited from Robert Simmons up in Charleston, South Carolina. It's about a 2-hour ride there, and then we're gonna eat a barbecue and then ride back. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4. We got like 7 bikes about, and we're gonna hit the road. And I was late, like usual. But that was because I'm still getting familiar with the streets out here, trying to cut corners, but I couldn't. All right, so we're gonna check out the bikes real quick, real fast, and then you're gonna see us on the road. All right, guys, we have arrived here at the spot, Rodney Scotty's BBQ in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina. There was other bikers here that actually were here that were meeting up, and they're already here. So we're at least about a half hour late. They're already eating. So we got them in the background right there, and we got some more guys right back there, and we got another one right over there. So we're gonna chow down on this barbecue, and because I'm hungry, it's already lunchtime. So.
That's true. I need you to come with the motorcycle.
I want to see you do something fancy before you leave.
You already saw it.
I've been bragging on you, man. I gotta, you know.
Yeah, do U-turn right here, right here.
That's what I'm saying. I want to.
You want to see me do something fancy? Come to Pula.
Preload, keep it loaded.
Keep
baby.
it loaded, baby. We saw that coming in here, man. Feet down, feet up.
You know, Jersey right now is cold.
Oh yeah. Snakeskin. That looks comfortable. Snakeskin in South Carolina must be a big thing. Got my wife's shirt. She got the preload shirt. Look at that, bang.
And we were leaving.
One way in, the other way out. Pretty cool spot. All you smell here is barbecue.
That's it?
That is very true. Every day is a good day.
Is that it? Okay, it's going to be $32.29.
All right, so we got the pulled pork here with the cornbread and the mac and cheese. Holy. And of course, the ribs, potato salad, mac and cheese. What'd you get?
Pulled chicken,
Oh yeah,
cornbread, and french fries.
there you go. So make sure you guys stop by and check this out. All right, let's try
How you can do that?
try this out.
And I record myself all day long.
Tell me, you get used to it when you're in the YouTube live.
Yeah, I just watch it.
Really good.
Is that the same one? No, that's a different one.
It's really, really good.
I like it.
Oh, babe, I want like yours. We can switch and put it into
All right. Ronnie Scotty's Barbecue. Make sure you check it out. right, guys, we have decided to split from the group a little bit because my wife decided to go do some shopping that in Savannah they don't have. So we decided to clear from the group and stop by downtown Charleston. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to these stores, do a little shopping for Christmas, and while we're here, might as well stop at the Gucci store. All right. And of course, we decided to stop by the Gucci store because that's one of her favorite stores. Very, very nice area. Look at this. The Charleston Palace. Wow, this is fancy entrance to the stores. So this is how in the future, when we get a bigger house in Savannah, our entrance is gonna be to our house like this. There it is. There it is. My wife's favorite store. And so is mine. So we're gonna cut it off right here because we can't record in the stores. They won't let us. But you know the deal when it comes to Gucci. Happy wife, happy life.